I need to announce this on Twitter real quick. Am I live on YouTube? I think I am. All right, I am live on YouTube. I am live on TikTok. I announce this on Twitter. One second. Hi, where are we going with ETH? Higher. I mean, what's going on with ETH right now is fantastic. So, hey, Nicholas Baxter and Steve T, good morning. Everyone thought it was going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing. In a sense, it was. It dumped pretty hard this morning, but then a whale came in and was like, "Thank you. I am buying all that cheap Ethereum. Thank you very much." So now Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're heading up. They are heading up. I've been saying that for a while. And honestly, even another thing that I will say is that I thought really there's a lot of upward pressure right now. And so what I thought was happening over the last few days was just the whales were waiting because of the buy the rumor, sell the news type potential with EIP 1559. And now that that's over, all right, time to send the price higher. So good morning, Darren. Good morning. Any idea what's the next range of Bitcoin? We've got to see Bitcoin break through 42,000, turn that into support. Would love a weekly close over the 21 weekly EMA. Pulled out too soon with ETH. Should I put it back in? Yeah. See, I just hold. ETH to 10K in 2 weeks? No way. Good morning, 911. 911's no bro. Sorry, I'm trying to multitask here. So give me a second. Bear with me, everybody. Those of you on YouTube. Fry. Yeah. All right. I'm reading your comment. Not gonna quote it, but thank you so much for those nice words. I really appreciate that. I do feel bad, but the thing that I didn't say in that post, Fry, was it mostly has to do with a family member who has moved to town, who's taking up a lot of my energy. So. All right. Any idea what? Oh, I answered that. Price for the 21 weekly EMA. Last I checked, it was $39,300. So then after that, let's have a second weekly close above 39,300. And yes, you should reinvest in ETH. You shouldn't have bought. You shouldn't have sold it. It's going to 5 figures. Telling my family member who said that. But don't go all back in right now. Ease your way back in. Maybe 25% increments. Do your thing. Thank you. Telling your family member, thank you, Conan Doyle. I appreciate that. What's up, King Kush? What price do you think ETH will go back down to? Oh man, I mean the momentum is upwards right now. I don't know. Are we on our way back up for good? Listen, this buy the rumor, sell the news, that was hanging on people's heads. But now that we're by that, it's like, I think we're going up. So, Jimmy Smith, what's up? Albert, thank you. What's up with ETH? Hey, Happy Giver, man, I just think it's going to pump. I mean, not like crazy pump. I do think that there will be corrections, but I think it's time to go up. It's time for ETH to go up. So any interest in OMI while it's super low? Yeah, definitely OMI. Going to skyrocket as it gets on other exchanges. Yep. Yeah, ETH is popping. Yes, thank you for the gifts. Jay Fraser, let's go. Will Doge go above 50 cents this year? I think so. Yeah. Maybe take a break. When's my dad coming back? I see you. Well, I am going to visit some family next week. But I'm still going to go live in the mornings. I'm just, going to take it easy. So I'm going to taking a little trip next week. But yeah, thank you. It's really hard to take a break when you have 5 kids. So did you see Efinity go to the moon? I heard about it. I haven't looked at it at all. I'm just not interested. And the biggest reason why I'm not interested is like I wouldn't touch that thing with a 10-foot pole now that it's gone to the moon. What will happen to the ETH price end of the year? I've been saying 5,000, and then end of cycle like 15,000. So ETH will fall back and then really fly. IMO. Yeah, you might be right, Elron. You might be right about that. Yep. So, all right. Still trying to set a couple things up here, but double tap that screen, y'all. ETH to 20,000 by 2023. That may be right. You might be right about that. I would not argue too hard against that as a possibility. So what's the best coin to invest in on Bittrex right now? I already have my long-term holds in place. I don't use Bittrex. I really don't know. So yeah, Matic price end of the year like $3. End of cycle more like $8. So ETH all the way. Oh yeah, ETH 2.0 then. I mean, isn't ETH 2.0? I mean, I've heard rumors about late 2021, so probably actually 2022, but yeah, after ETH 2.0, man, it's going to be wild. So thank you, Happy Giver, again. You're the best. XRP end of cycle like $8 to $10. Yeah, end of cycle. So man, how do I say this? End of the bull run within this 4-year cycle, the 4-year Bitcoin cycle that everything operates off of right now. That's what I mean by that. Yeah, end of bull run, not end of cycle. HBAR $2. Luna needs to cool off a little bit. I wouldn't get into it right now, but soon enough. So, any NFTs? Hey, begin crypto. Let's go. I haven't been looking, man, been flipping them and gathering ETH. That's crazy. I haven't looked into NFTs at all. Yeah, YouTube chat, blessed by Begin Crypto. Sorry, ETH price to drop soon before pumping. It could, it always could. Yeah, definitely. Will it? I wouldn't, if I had $1,000 that I wanted to put into ETH, I'd put $250 in right now. Please reconnect. I'm not going to be able to read any of this stuff, to read any of your comments real quick. All right, sorry, I got disconnected on YouTube, but I am connected again. ETH forming a falling wedge. All right. Hey, Dean and Bance, what's up? ETH no entry for me. Why not? Omi Vive. Omi Vive releasing first Marvel Spider-Man NFT. Nice. Oh, man. All right. Shoot. I need to plug my computer in. Millions of Ethereum was just burned. Not millions. I don't know. Was millions burned? Link end of cycle like $200. Looked at EVN yet? No, I haven't. Sorry. Top 50 cryptos lending and shorting about to launch. Okay. Who is this man? Yeah, my uncle, World War Bitcoin, is out of town, so I'm filling in for him. We look and sound alike, except he has a beard. All right, I got one Ether just holding, and we'll buy slowly. Excellent. Yeah. Price target for ETH and Bitcoin at the peak of the cycle, which I think will be early to mid 2022. I think 15,000 for ETH and 200,000 for Bitcoin. Thank you, 24/7 and on. C Spaceback, what's up? Welcome back. You're welcome, Norma. Blessings to you. BitTorrent, rocket. Okay. Thank you, LA Girlfriend. Thank you so much. Let's see. So what do you think Bitcoin will do this week/end? Up. I think it's going to go up. All I really care about is another close above the 21 weekly EMA, which is at 39,300. Millions of USD, not millions of ETH. Millions of USD. Okay. All right. There we go. Will ETH come back down? Maybe. Alliance block. I still don't know enough. Sorry. All right. Thoughts on Aave? Does it seem like a good buy now or wait a bit? You want to stake it on Voyager? I didn't know you could get it on Voyager. All right, Aave, let's see Aave here. 369, that's a decent price. It's up 11.63%. Man. Yeah, I think it's a decent time to get in on that. I'm not going to say like an amazing time, but it's a decent one. Thank you, Happy Giver. What platform has the best slash least trade fees? Cohort Chronicles. I would say Voyager. Use my referral code ALE749. ALE749. You'll get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list. So I have not reviewed Epic. Thank you, C Spacepack. I have not reviewed Epic. Sorry. No. Thank you, Happy Giver. Buy Quant now. Yeah, I mean, the longer it hangs around 170, the more I'm thinking buy it. ETH is ready to prove a lot of people wrong. Look for 3,200 next week. I wouldn't be shocked by that. I feel like Cardano will go up. I think so too, yeah. Chill King. I think this month and next month will be decent for Cardano. H-Bar Fate, long-term hold for me. I think it's going to have a nice future. So, hey, Alex just got here. Hey, Nicole, are we buying or holding today? Definitely holding. Between the two, I would say buying. Yeah. Thank you, Crypto Hulk. First crypto bull run, is it always this crazy? Yes. Yes, it's always this crazy. Always. What do you think of Crypto Weatherman's latest video? He thinks this is a bull trap. I disagree. I've disagreed with him a lot, and it's fine. I understand why he would say that. Looking at all the technicals that he looks at, I think it's time. I think we're due. We're overdue. All right, 24/7 Anon says Aave not a good entry. Okay, Matic end of cycle, $8 or so. Hey Philip, I look like I'm in college. Yeah, I Ubered a few years ago. Still in my mid 30s, I Ubered, and people always thought I was a college student. So we need stimulus money to buy into more crypto. Yes, we do. I mean, I'm not a fan of stimulus money, but okay. Do I still like Cardano? I like it. I don't love it. Thoughts on XRP? Bullish on XRP. I think it'll go up pretty high after the SEC suit is over. I don't know when that's going to be. So what platforms would you recommend to stake ETH? Coinbase. For staking, there's a difference. So I hold mine on BlockFi. The returns have gone down pretty consistently, so I wouldn't recommend BlockFi. But that's not staking; it's just holding it there. Coinbase, I hear, is pretty good, and Voyager as well. Alchemy Pay, I don't know enough about it. If H-bar hits $2, what price do you see it dropping to in the bear market? Maybe 40 cents or so. ETH pump, yes. Still thinking vet to $1. Yes, I am. Deal with XRP; it's still flat. So. Thoughts on Quant's bull run top price? I think anyone trying to do a Quant prediction, it's like you're blowing smoke out of your nose. Whatever, I don't know the saying. I don't do Quant predictions. If you told me $10,000 at the end of this bull run, yeah, I'd be a little surprised. If you told me it just stayed at 170, I would be a little surprised. So how about somewhere between there? Will ETH dump after this pump, or you think it'll be stable? In general, I think it'll be stable. So, hello, TJK. I think you've been calling this bull run very accurately. Since we've bottomed out, there were some things that I've missed, David Andrew, when we were at the peaks. So when do you think Bitcoin will hit 100K? Early 2022, maybe mid. Any info on AMP? In general, I like it. I did a little bit of research. It wasn't really on my radar before, but I like it, but no real info. GBTC, I'd rather own actual Bitcoin than Grayscale. So, yeah, I am live on YouTube, by the way. This chat's getting really hot. It's going to be difficult for me to respond to every question on TikTok. But subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will gladly answer any question you ask me there. Hive, don't know enough. XLM, I really like XLM. I've been saying $5 by the end of this cycle. So you don't think ETH 2.0? Sorry, way behind. Is a Matic killer. It will kill, thank you, Justice Dave. It'll kill certain functions of Matic, but I think Matic will still survive. But Matic is not a long-term hold for me. Vet to $1, Algo, I'm bullish. So I'm just going to try to catch up here. The Bears needs more than TA to justify a crash. Yeah. What will be the catalyst? Absolutely, yeah. But Weatherman does say he does give some potential catalysts. Only good news so far is more institutions adopt. Hey, Shane, is Doge going to get back over 40 cents? Yes. Will ETH correct? I think the corrections will be minor moving forward for the time being. ETH going down, minor corrections. What about Dogecoin? It's going to be outperformed by the rest of the market for a while. So, but it'll go up. Voyager has better ETH rates than BlockFi. Yes, you can transfer once a month for free on BlockFi. Interesting. Got you, USA. Okay, is Quant on Voyager? No. Only place that I have that I use that has it is Coinbase, but it's on other platforms as well. Hey Alex, what do you recommend to buy today, or should we hold? In your opinion, hold, buy. I think we're gonna see some decent pumps throughout the month. So Bitcoin and Ethereum, Chainlink for sure. There's lots of ones that I would recommend that maybe buy. So 628 ETH burned so far. There we go. Any thought about VRA? I like VRA. I like their team. I like Theta more. No price predictions though. Sorry, I have to go back down to the bottom of the chat. If I missed any of your comments, again, hop on over to my YouTube channel. I'm not playing Axie Infinity. I went to their website. I'm not sure how to do it, so I'm too old. Do you like Zillin 1? Yeah, in general I do. Yeah. What about Hollow? I could see Hollow 20xing before the peak. So VRA, I already mentioned that. Quant is cheaper on Coinbase. Thank you, Bullseye. SHIB is going to be outperformed by the rest of the market for the next 3 or 4 months. So are you planning on going live again later today? Got to run. I might go live. Yeah, I think I'm going to go live in the afternoon on TikTok. But see you later, Neutral. I don't own any Terra Luna, and I may be regretting that pretty badly. So ETH 2.0. ETH 2.0 is launching late 2021, early 2022. Very excited about ETH 2.0. Watch my video with a sticker on it, EIP 3675. My uncle's more patient. All right. ETH end of the month prediction, 3,000. I don't know. Does anyone know how to transfer Doge from Uphold to Coinbase? Ooh, I don't use Uphold, so. SHIB. I already answered about that. Isn't Polygon a great coin to have if gaming NFTs get hot? I haven't thought much about that. That you might have a point there because there are certain functions about Polygon. Yeah. All right. Alex, top buys besides ETH, Bitcoin, and Chainlink. Oh man. Solana, Quant, Theta, XRP, definitely XRP, Cardano, XLM. Let's see. The altcoin market cap has jumped so far. Good. HBAR, XRP, Crow. I like them all. New face. Who this? I shaved. Are we at the start of a bull run? We were at the start of a bull run at this time last year. Now we're starting back up. Thank you. You're welcome, Jack Johnson. What's up, Smiles? Luna, Pablo likes. What say you? Thanks. I like it. I mean, I don't own any though. So VGX. I like Voyager a lot, so I like VGX. Don't spam. Polygon, good short and medium term hold for me. Not long term. You can buy XRP on Uphold, Mike O. Good morning, Felix. Good morning. Digibyte just sold some Solana. Okay, yeah, take some profits. That's good. Digibyte, not really paying attention to it. Sorry. What's the best coin to buy? Ethereum. Quant is a baby Bitcoin. Yeah, 14.5 million supply. So, Matic, not a long-term hold for me. Good for short-term and medium-term. Why is it not a long-term hold? Because I'm a little bit concerned about ETH 2.0, the effects that ETH 2.0 is going to have on Matic. I mean, a big thing with Matic is reducing those gas fees with ETH. So, DOT, bullish on DOT. I've been saying $200 this cycle. I'm not going to change that prediction. Thoughts on Maker? I like Maker. Haven't really talked about Maker in a long time. I'm just trying to refresh myself here. Oh, man. Polkadot and Kusama, I like them both. XRP price prediction, $8 to $10. What is good about HBAR? It's not a blockchain. Cryptocurrency has a ton of partnerships. Very, very intrigued about Hashgraph. Is it going to be the Bitcoin of the Hashgraph, Lots of other things I could say, but that's it for now. I am growing my beard back, yes. Would you buy Bitcoin right now? Yes, definitely. Every day, every week, every month, whatever, regularly. SafeMoon is done. No, it's not yet. It's dormant, but it'll come back. But I just joined what's happening with ETH. It's pumping. There was a dump during EIP 1559, and a whale came in and was like, "Thank you, I'll buy all that up." What do you think about the Crypto King? I don't know who the crypto king is. Are you talking about me? That's a joke. Luna's too hot right now. I would stay away for a little bit. Do I have limit orders on ETH right now? I did. No, actually I don't. Not anymore. I was thinking about Litecoin actually. All right, moved Axie in position into quant to add my 95s. I won't complain about that. Yeah, Luna. I don't own Luna. I'm getting a lot of questions on Luna. But yeah, I don't own any. And so I just think in general right now, I would stay away for the time being. You know, I told people to buy at $6. Now, last I checked, it was at 15. How high will ETH go, do you think? Conservatively, $15,000 by the peak. Dogecoin, lots of other cryptos are going to outperform Dogecoin over the next several months. My net worth, 6 figures. How about that? Thank you, Passive Wealth Now. Really appreciate that. Thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I am live on YouTube. I can answer every question there. Way too fast on TikTok, though. What's the deal with XRP on Voyager? It's there, but you can't purchase it. Yeah, they're showing it because they used to sell it, but not right now. SEC suit is over. It'll come back, but it's on Uphold. You can get it there. What's up, Cryptoph? XRP so controversial. I don't know who to believe. Yeah. I mean, I'm more neutral because the XRP people are insane. I already mentioned Doge, Sia Coin future. Haven't really looked into it all that much. Sorry. ADA long-term hold. Maybe more of a long-term hold than before. I mean, it lost 98% of its value from the peak in 2018 to the bear market bottom. So because of that, I don't want to mess with that. So I'm not holding it through the bear market. Are there other Hashgraph cryptos other than HBAR? I'm sure there are. I don't remember their names. I should go live with Cryptos R Us. If he'd like to go live with me, I'd be happy to do that. He has a much bigger channel than I do, on YouTube at least. All right, Nick, I like this slow gain in price over the last couple of weeks. Yeah, less roller coaster action. But buckle up. So how long will the ETH pump? I mean, in general, it's going to be moving up. But yeah, we'll see. Will Shiba rise? Yes, eventually. But most other cryptos will outperform Shiba over the next 3 to 4 months. ETH going back to 2,400-ish? I don't think so. Is ETH going down today? It certainly can, but not to 2,400. Crypto King Signals GA3. Trust you. Yeah, I don't know who that is. ACH. What's ACH? Nano is Hashgraph. Okay. Yeah, Nano's kind of not been performing well lately. You know, it used to be a top 100 crypto, but it's not anymore. So we'll see. VeChain, I like VeChain. VeChain to $1. Quant price prediction, that's the last thing I ever want to predict. Quant is the honey badger. It's its own thing. It has a mind of its own. It will do what it does. But higher. This decade, I would be shocked if it didn't hit 4 figures, maybe even 5 figures. Will Bitcoin go below 36K this cycle? I don't think so. Not anymore. So at what point in your crypto window winnings do you take a loan against your crypto account to buy? That's an interesting question. Oh, to buy a house? Is that what you're asking? I have no idea. I haven't really thought about that, Miles. That's a really good question, though. So, yeah, that's fascinating. Oh, man, I'm caught up. All right, let's see. Bull run back on, almost. Certain technical indicators that I'm looking at. So, all right, what's a good profit taking strategy? Things go up, take profits. My big thing, and this is probably too much of a gamble, but I look for things to go parabolic before even thinking about taking profits. Profit taking is just not on my radar right now. If you had $500, where would you put it right now? All of it in ETH, probably. AGIX. I don't know. Will BitTorrent reach a penny or 10 cents? Yes, I think so. Yeah. You think Ether will drop down to 2,500 or so? I mean, it dropped down to 20. This morning it was at 25.29, and now it's flirting with 2,800. I think 2,800 is a pretty big barrier. If it blows through 2,800, I do not think so. No. So ETH will overtake Bitcoin. I agree, but Bitcoin will still exist. That's probably my unpopular opinion with that, about that. I don't think Bitcoin's going to die if ETH overtakes it. Is it too late to buy Luna? I would hold off for a little bit, but you could still get in. ACH is an ETH token that powers Alchemy Pay. All right. I'm up about 90% since listed on Coinbase. Do you have a quant buy order? I don't. No, I'm done buying for the most part. So, all right. Do you think iTrust Capital Roth IRA is a good place to buy crypto? I have not looked into iTrust Capital at all. Sorry, but that's intriguing to me. I mean, crypto will get into retirement, and that's going to be huge. So, any thoughts on VET? VeChain to $1. I like VET a lot. Is it okay to buy ETH? Yes. Yes, Mamacita. Dude, congrats on staying level-headed when we dropped below 29K. Well, we didn't this last time. We were close to 29K. But, I mean, I was level-headed because I predicted it. And then I predicted that would be the bottom. So, have you ever declared crypto on your taxes? Yes. My 2020 taxes are going to be brutal. So, is Maker worth buying? Yes. Any thoughts on VET? I already said that. I think it'll go to $1 this cycle. What are 3 things to invest in with $1,000? Ethereum with most of that, Bitcoin, and then I'll say Chainlink. I don't think the news pump has happened yet. The news pump. What do you mean? How much higher do you expect ETH to go now before it drops? 2,800 is a key level. If it's hanging around 2,800. If it blows through 2,800, good luck. Good luck to all of you. Oh, hey, Hung Fam, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And Justin S., thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And yeah, I'm live on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right. Technically, having to limit myself on NFTs. Been focusing on learning a lot now in 2 projects. I need to focus more on NFTs. Where do you see Solana dropping down to throughout the bear market? Higher than where it is now. Maybe like $50. Any thoughts on Doge currently? I just think that other cryptos are going to outperform Doge. You know, Bitcoin has its run, will have its run. ETH will have its run. Major alts will have its run, and then maybe Doge. When ETH 2.0 staking is released, will it negatively affect the price? Worth selling before upgrade? No, don't do it. We're going from 12,800 ETH mined per day to 1,280. That's wild. 1,280 staking. So buy the rumor, sell the news. I mean, that should have been how it worked out. But a whale came in and was like, all right, everyone's thinking buy the rumor, sell the news. And so now I'm just going to buy. Would you suggest buying Litecoin today? Yes, definitely. I have changed my opinion on whether or not you should buy Litecoin. I think Litecoin, I've been convinced by Litecoin. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I retweeted something yesterday. Follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin, and you can see a huge thread on Litecoin and why it's going to take off. So DeFi is growing so fast in ETH. More transactions take place. I bet it will be deflationary pre-2022. I completely agree with you, Crypto Hustler. Pablo's been real quiet, yeah. Bitcoin price end of the year like 80,000. Should have never listened to Pablo. I know. I knew he was wrong. But, you know, it's like I try to say that stuff, and people who follow Pablo are like, what do they say? They're like, Pablo's never wrong. Pablo is never wrong. Here's proof where Pablo was wrong. No, Pablo was never wrong. Sanctions are coming. Yes, they are. Yep. H-bar. I love H-bar. Bullish. All right, ETH is at, see you later, TJK. Don't listen to him ever. ETH is at over 2,800. Let's see what happens here. Where will Bitcoin be end of August? Like 48,000 in my opinion. Thoughts on XLM? I like XLM a lot. Bullish on XLM. Didn't sell my ETH. Good. I'm much nicer about Pablo than you are, and I'm kind of mean about him. End of bull run prediction for Litecoin. You know, I've been saying 1,000, but probably higher than that. What are your buy orders for Litecoin? I set one at 133. I'm not sure if that's going to get filled, though. I don't do quant price predictions. Quant does what quant does. I'm just along for the ride. No offense. Anyone giving you a quant prediction, they're wrong. Take it with a massive grain of salt. So, Polygon prediction, $8 or so. Virtual Bacon said 50K next Bitcoin stop on Twitter 15 hours ago. Is he good on predictions? I mean, I called him out once. He sold the bottom. He sold at 29K. He sold at 29K. But he is a smart guy, and I hope he's right. Is ETH 3K today? No. All my money is going to weapons and food stock. All right, no comment. I remember seeing your video saying Pablo was starting to be sketchy. I don't remember saying that, but yeah. End of run price for Aave, 4 figures. No idea though. BNB, one of my top 5 favorites. I love BNB. Short term, I'm a little nervous, just regulation stuff. But long term, I will always be holding some BNB. If you need to cash out in 1 year, sell ETH or Bitcoin. Oh man, no, zero, neither of them. But all right, Bitcoin. Just because of EIP 3675, ETH could peak in 2023, much higher than $15,000. ETH 6K by Christmas, that seems reasonable. All right, XDC, I like XLM, I like XRP, so I like XDC. That could outperform them. It's a smaller cap, so I meant his predictions were starting to be wrong. Okay, all right. What's your prediction for Crypto Hustler? What about Dogecoin? Oh man, why do I always get so many questions about Dogecoin? Everything's going to outperform Dogecoin over the next 3 months. All right, wouldn't it be crazy to have enough money to influence a world market by your buys and sales? Yeah, it would. There we go. Crypto Hustler, good point. Yeah. Do not spam. What should I buy today long term? Bitcoin and Ethereum. What do you think is a good price to grab some Litecoin? 135. What do you think of Ethereum's infinite supply? It is turning deflationary. Trust me, it's not going to be infinite for very long. So, predicting the Shiba. I like Crypto Stash. Some great info on NFTs. Okay. You're welcome, Troy. I try as hard as I can. So, Cardano prediction $8 this cycle. Any thoughts on Mina? I'm very hopeful about Mina. Mina is the technology doesn't exist for Mina to do what they're saying they're going to do, but maybe it will one day. And so if so, then great. Do you know where Solana stands as security versus recent SEC stance? I don't know. Shiba will outperform Doge as well, not for the next 3 months. Ethereum price 2022, 15,000. Cool, I'll check it out. You're welcome. Or are you talking to somebody else, Redbeard? VeChain prediction about $1. What do you think about ADA? $8 to $10. I've been saying 8. Cardano is dragging like a snail. Be patient. XRP prediction $8 to $10. Dogecoin prediction around $1. Luna prediction $50. I'm just guessing right now with Luna. I do answer questions on YouTube. Yeah, follow me on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. I am actually able to answer every question there. Whew. All right, Solana. I love Solana, Stacy. Yep, I love it. I've been thinking $200 this cycle. So, Theta prediction. Price prediction. Atom 100. Luna. No idea. Synthetics. I like synthetics. I don't own any. I'm hopeful about it. No prediction. I don't know enough about Radix. Sorry. Yeah, Oscar. Thank you so much. Yeah, I am live on YouTube. Yep. And so follow me there. It's a better viewing and listening experience. Is DAO Maker sus because of Pablo? I wouldn't go that far. Pablo, I think he's a good guy, sweet guy, good intentions. So, what cryptos have the most advanced technology? Man, maybe something that we haven't heard of yet. That's a really hard question to answer. Some coins for short gain. Oh my goodness, I don't do short gains. How about Uniswap? Although Uniswap is up pretty heavily today. Quant predictions. Don't ever listen to anybody who gives you a quant prediction. Quant does what quant does. Quant's a beast. Dollar dropping today, making ETH more attractive. There we go. Will everyone's portfolio at least 20x if they bought now and held for 10 years? It depends on the crypto. If you just buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, actually no, probably not 20x in 10 years. 20x in 10 years. Actually, yes, never mind. Yeah, if you just bought Bitcoin and Ethereum, you would definitely not definitely. But you would 20x in 10 years. If you bought other things, some of those things could go to zero. VeChain to $1. Hey, brother, what do you think about Ethereum Classic? I'm okay with it for short-term gains, not in favor of it for long-term at all. Radical prediction, nothing. When do you think Doge will be $1 early to mid 2022? I'm just going to call banks dollar shills. That's funny. Lost about $800 on Doge. Should I keep holding? Yeah, I think you should keep holding. XRP, very bullish on it. Hey, Caesar. Got here late. Yes. Pablo has a crystal ball filled with mayonnaise. There we go. That wasn't my comment, but FUD heavyweight champion. What NFTs am I buying? I don't have any NFTs. DeFi Maximalist. Thank you, Jose. I really need to look into it, but I would like to see what happens throughout the bear market. Aave prediction 4 figures, but no dollar amount. Sorry. Thank you, 24/7 and on. Radix most advanced. Okay. I bought Binance, Hollow, and VeChain. Buy some Ethereum. You got to have some Ethereum, and I would say Bitcoin as well. But sorry. Will ETH pass 3,200 or bounce? Or bounce 3,200 and bounce? It'll eventually pass 3,200. Do you see Chainlink hitting 1K in the next 5 to 10 years? I do, yeah. Hollow, I think, is a 10 to 20x from here. Do you think there will be an XRP buyout? No. EOS, don't know enough, sorry. Got 20K VeChain, so I'll rack it in if it hits something. Thank you, Selena. Thank you, MSCK1998, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I don't get notifications for everybody, but so if you've subscribed to my YouTube channel already, thank you so much. Let me know. I'll definitely give you a shout out. Nice beard. Hey, it's starting to fill in a little bit. I'll grow it back. Can I mine Ethereum Classic or will it go to proof of stake? I think you can mine it. Yeah. Time to sell ETH? No. No. All right, let's see. Is ETH going how high? 15,000 or so. I bought the Doge pound a few weeks ago. Keep iRumble okay. I don't know what you're saying, Begin Crypto. I hear AccuReather is doing a Chainlink node. Interesting. Will VET be here in 10 years? Yes, I think so, Everardo. Bitcoin or BNB to 2,000 in a year. I think it's within the realm of possibility. John Toole, you eat your own poo. I just want you to know that. John Toole, guys, everybody, John Toole D for this app eats his own poo. He messaged me that earlier. So just everyone, just so you know that, be careful with that guy. Next good ETH entry point. I'd say now. It's at 27.67. Around, maybe it'll go under $2,700 or so. What's going on with Ethereum Classic? It's pumping because Ethereum pumps. Using the Killy app, you can get free ETH. Okay. Pablo said it's a dead cat bounce. Yeah. If you had $500 each month to DCA, what would you buy? Bitcoin and Ethereum. VET prediction $1 or so. ADA prediction 2022 about $8 or so. Do you have your spacesuit ready? I do. Yes. Okay, 1 second. I'm getting convinced the regular bear market won't happen due to all the new retail investors. We'll see. John Toole. Okay, I'm not reading that comment, Jose, but what's Matic looking to do? Should I sell and move to another project? Matic will go higher, but yeah, no, I think you should hold on to it. I have 900 pounds. What crypto should I buy? Ethereum and Bitcoin. How low do you think ETH will go to during the bear market post 22? Whenever 4,000. Should buy. All right, please don't spam. Cardano or Chainlink for long term. What do you think, bro? Chainlink. I believe in 10 years, VET can hit $100 plus. I hope you're right, man. Yeah, Jose's the man who makes mayonnaise jokes. Okay. What crypto? All right. Price prediction for ETH in bear market. I saw that. Begin Crypto was talking about NFTs, Doge Pound. Okay. All right. Somebody asked about some NFTs. Yeah. Link or Solana or both? Both. They're both very close together in my top 10. Should be looking for a short position here. I don't think so. All right. Sorry. I'm trying to catch up here. Link end of cycle prediction, $200. At what point in the rise of a coin do you know when to buy? Please explain for us rookies. It's really hard. You just got to put your toes in the water and just dip in. Dollar cost average your way in. You find something that you like or you're intrigued about. There's no science to it. It's more of an art. So these These big short-term dips on TradingView for Bitcoin scare me. Okay. Is Shiba still worth the wait? When was it ever worth the wait? I mean, hold on to it. I have ADA. Should I sell and put into ETH? Do you not have any ETH? If you don't, oh, AMP. Same answer. If you don't have any AMP, sure, yeah. Top 5, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. All right, yeah, John Toole still eats his poo, but, oh, I'm seeing another message. He drinks his own urine, too. Okay. Good to know. I will stay far away from you, John Toole. All right, Bitcoin price by Saturday. Man, that's so hard. I think higher. I mean, I expect us to close the week over the 21 weekly EMA, which is at $39,300. BTT, I am not a fan of anything that Justin Sun has touched. So, but it'll go up. Yeah, it's wild. AccuWeather bring weather smart contracts at Chainlink. Yeah, that sounds great. Does ADA still have hope? Price in a few years. I mean, it definitely has hope. We're not going to know what ADA is for another decade or so. So, thank you, Mr. 50 Cal. Thank you. BTT price, 10 cents. That one is actually a guess. So, John Toole, if you want to call me out for that. Thoughts on Quant? I love Quant. Leader28, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And, oh, yeah, all right. All right, E. Davidson, what's up, man? Incoming ETH correction after the hype of EIP 1559 dies down. Man, it should have happened already. Instead, it pumped. So, and it did dip. I have 9 ETH and 5K AMP. All right, that sounds great. How much would you put into ETH today? I mean, let's say you had $1,000. I'd buy $100 worth, or maybe $250 worth today, and then next week do the same thing, something like that. What will be the best coins to invest in to the end of 2021? I still expect Bitcoin's dominance to increase, so Bitcoin and Ethereum, which I know you're not going to like me saying that, but okay. When does the week close for Bitcoin? Sunday at 12 a.m. UTC, 12 a.m. UTC, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. What do you expect ETH to reach today? It got rejected at $2,800. I don't think it's going to go higher than $2,800 today. Boot the hater. All right, if he comments again, I will boot him. XRP price still $8 to $13. I've been saying 8 to 10, but yeah. Dips always in the weekend, not the last few weekends. So, thoughts on injective protocol and Helium. Don't know anything about injective protocol. Helium, I'm very eager to get my hands on a Helium miner. All right, there's John Toole. Goodbye, John Toole. I hope that you diversify the amount of food that you eat and that you don't just eat your own feces anymore. So, goodbye. All right, is Cardano done since ETH shift to proof of stake? No, Cardano is not done. Quant or HBAR for long term. Quant is so sexy that I want to say Quant, but I'll say HBAR. Oh, John too old for this app. That's what it's called. Okay. ADA, best altcoin. No. Zlatan, I found it, though, talking crypto with friends, relatives, and most likely steer away from getting too hyped when talking crypto. Yeah. Do you own XRP? About 10% of my portfolio is XRP. Do you think Bitcoin will die off in 10 years due to its lack of utility? No, I think it's always going to be a store of value. It's superior to gold. And institutions, they're interested in Bitcoin. They're interested in Ethereum to a lesser extent. They want Bitcoin. They don't want some random coin with utility. Doge to $1 million, write it down. Yep. And when that happens, a loaf of bread will cost $1 billion. If I only have 1K, what should I buy? Bitcoin and Ethereum. Once I did show my fam friends the quant gains, they understood. There we go. Yeah. Doge is a joke. It literally is a joke. Yes. A Lost Soul, you're welcome. Bye, John. I'm getting a phone call right now. I'm not going to answer it. Oh, I know what it's about though. Okay. Would you invest 1K on Stellar, Doge, or Tron long term? Stellar. Thoughts on RLC? Don't know enough. Thoughts on SPE? I don't care about SPE at all. Blessings to you as you try to save the earth and all that stuff. So Cardano is just adopted in Japan. Excellent. Helium miners. I'm eager to get my hands on a helium miner. I don't own one yet, but it seems to be very lucrative for people. I have Bitcoin Cash. Should I sell it at a loss to buy Bitcoin or ETH? Yeah, ETH. Buy ETH. Are we looking at big moves for alts related to ETH's EIPs? Yeah, I was thinking like EIP, Ethereum tokens. I could see Uniswap doing pretty well, and Aave, Comp, other things. Thoughts on XRP? I'm bullish on XRP. The SEC suit needs to end. And why is XRP's price low? Because of the SEC suit. Doge prediction by the end of the year, 50 cents. That's a guess. But $1 or so by the end of the cycle. See Luna Pump. Any thoughts? Stay away from it for the short term. Outside of ETH and Bitcoin, what's the best long-term alt? I would say Chainlink. So I cannot wait for the SRC lawsuit to end. Yeah. All right. Sorry, the chat's gotten too hot. I'm going back down to the bottom of the YouTube chat. If you had 500 invest right now, what would you put it in? It can't be ETH or Bitcoin. Chainlink. Where do you see Quant by December? Quant does what Quant does. It's impossible to guess. Higher. I'll just say higher. Ordered 2 helium miners a month ago. Won't see them get here for another 3. Yeah, Jonathan. That's why I want to wait until the bear market, because I think it'll catch up until then, or at that time. All right. What do I think about Mina? I like Mina. Give me 1 second here. The thing about Mina is that technology does not exist for them to do what they're saying they're going to do. Will it exist soon? Yeah, I think it could. End of year prediction. End of year $3 if the SEC suit ends. End of cycle more like 8 to 10. ETH has went up. ETH has went up this morning. Could you tell me what the charts are doing, please? I haven't learned to. Well, it got rejected at 2,800. I think a whale just kind of zigged when everyone was expecting a zag, and so they bought a lot of ETH. And I do expect there to be minor dips. I do expect it to go higher. So, thoughts on buying back XRP at set price? I don't know what you're asking, but I think you should buy XRP now. Cardano Rocket VGX 3.475. Thoughts of higher or topped out? I think it'll go higher. Don't spam. End of cycle refers to when the bull run peaks by the end of the cycle. Yeah. ETH under 2K soon. I strongly disagree. ADA price predictions $8 or so. Is it best to cash out at the end of a bull cycle and then buy back at the bottom instead of holding? It depends on the crypto. I have no intention of doing that with my Bitcoin or Ethereum. I am holding my Bitcoin and Ethereum. I am holding my Chainlink. I'm holding my HBAR mostly because I don't have a ton of HBAR. But everything else, I'll hold some Binance as well. But everything else, I'm gonna cash out. I'll probably hold my Quant because Quant does what Quant does. All right. So technically fundamental. Wow, that is crazy. End of cycle refers to the peak of the bull run within the cycle. So. Yeah, do I record my lives or put them on YouTube? I am live on YouTube right now, so this is being recorded, and you'll be able to watch it later. Just going to accumulate as much helium as I can, and I won't sell it till this next bull run. Excellent. Yeah, buy XRP. What coins you investment? I'm out of top ranks. I don't understand your question. ADA end of year prediction $3. End of cycle $8. Strike Coin Dex launches soon. Excellent. Link X Rocket. I've been waiting to buy into ETH. Should I just watch for a dip? Just you, DCA, Monica. I mean, I'm sorry. I feel like a broken record sometimes. Buy some today. Don't wait. Don't wait for a dip. just buy some and then buy some later. If it dips later and you buy some more, be thankful that you bought more. When can you see Matic rising again? Soon-ish. I'm waiting for Bitcoin. I'm waiting for Ethereum to pump like crazy. Zlatan, yeah, I'll be on later this afternoon, most likely. So I need to check. I got a text on something. Oh, okay. All right. When do you think ETH will start to shoot up? I mean, $2,700. Here's the thing: $2,700 is a phenomenal price for ETH. It got as low as $1,700. It's up $1,000 in the last month. So I would say it's shot up, and it will continue to shoot up. It'll keep going higher. Rumor came out they will buy back XRP at set price of $14,000 a coin when lawsuit is over. I'll believe it when I see it, and I'll be crying tears of joy. DAO's concept you like? Yeah. Sorry, that's all I'm going to say. Yeah. Hex coin. Is Hex a scam? Is it not? I have no idea who to believe. I own some. I bought some before I heard people say it was a scam. So, let's see. XRP will reach $10 in 2022. I think that's within the realm of possibility, yeah. What will Bitcoin touch at the end of the year? 80,000 or so. Expected peak date of Bitcoin early to mid 2022. How can you tell when the end of cycle is? That's just based on calculations that I've made, at least in my head. I believe in lengthening cycles. I believe in lengthening bull runs within 4-year cycles. So I think each bull run after a halving gets longer. So that's why I'm guessing early to mid 2022. Yeah, so we're all trillionaires. Yeah. I tried to maneuver and sold Bitcoin at 50K for ETH at 4K, then everything crashed. Oh, man. Litecoin price predictions over 1,000. I don't know, though. Solana or XRP? Right now, I would say XRP just because of the suppression with the SEC suit. I wish you didn't say anything about Litecoin. Now I got to research. Yeah, look on my Twitter. Somebody who I follow is really bullish short term for Litecoin, short and medium term. ETH 4,400 was the all-time high. I know, but it's all a matter of perspective. You'll see ETH well beyond 4,400 within a short enough time if you're patient. Buy the rumor, sell the fact. Gaddy, I think that's over with ETH. I think that we had the fake out this morning. It got as low as $2,500, $29. And so now it's just, here we go higher. Where to buy XRP? You can buy it on Uphold. Do you trust BlockFi and Celsius with Bitcoin and or ETH? Yes, I do. When is altcoin season? Who knows? So it was really weird in May. We had Bitcoin pump, we had ETH pump, and then we had like the very top of the major alt pump. And then we had meme coin season, and that was it. So what's going to happen this time around? We'll see. Do you believe the bull run has started? I think it started a year ago, and that. Thank you for following me, by the way, Saj. All right. So is it back on? Is the question, and I would say let's have another weekly close above the 21 weekly EMA at $39,300. If so, then I'll be more confident that it's back on. But I want to see us go above $42,000 and test that. You're welcome, Adash. Lots of chatter about Luna lately. Yeah. Litecoin a long-term holder, pump and dump, absolutely a pump and dump. Wow, I slept through it. Long-term holding here. All right, good. XRP price prediction in 5 years, I don't know. $30. And XRP people are probably going to laugh at me for saying that, but outside ETH and Bitcoin, what's the best long-term alt? I would say Chainlink. Missed ETH entry as usual, did not buy enough. That's the story of all of our lives. You can always look back and say, oh, I should have bought ETH at this price. A year ago it was $300, So XRP, $30 USD, never. Okay, so there you are. There's somebody else on the other side. The XRP nuts, they're like $30 XRP, only $30 in 5 years. Any thoughts on Cardano? in general, I'm bullish. I think it's overpriced, like Tesla is overpriced, which means that it could certainly go much higher from here. Thoughts on XLM? I really like XLM. I think it'll hit $5 this cycle. I think it's going to exist for a long time, that it's not going to die like 90% of cryptos will. So, about 5,000 Cardano at a pound. Excellent. Quant thoughts. Quant's a beast. Quant does what Quant does. It's impossible to predict where Quant is going to go from here. Will it just keep going to the moon? Do you know anything about XTC? I mean, I lump it in with XRP and XLM. I am bullish on it. It's a smaller market cap coin, which means it could outperform for sure both of those. So, thank you, Jack. Thanks a lot. Thoughts on Crow? I love Crow. Crypto.com is going to be a platform where you can buy crypto forever. Not forever, but I mean for a long time. So I think it's very safe, and that's probably the biggest thing that I like about Crow, that it's safe. So it will be much higher. H-bar prediction in a year, like $2. Thoughts on synthetics? I am eager. I'm curious about it. I am also curious about, they're trying to make these stock peg tokens, which I very much want, but the SEC might crack down on that pretty hard. So it might be a rocky future for synthetics, but we'll see. 3 coins you wish you hold but aren't holding at the moment. Telcoin would be at the very top of that list. Telcoin. And maybe Axie. I don't own any Axie. Maybe Luna. Which coins do you think will die with 90%? A lot of the meme coins. I don't know. I mean, really, I think a lot of the top 50 coins that exist right now will exist long term. So it's hard to say. A lot of coins that I've probably never even heard of. Do you think Cardano will pull back before pumping? Not that much. Maybe it'll go to the $1.20 range. But no. Will Matic reach $5 end of the year? It's within the realm of possibility. I don't think so. I think it'll reach it in 2022, though. Less than $1 coins you should buy. VeChain. What else? I'll just say VeChain. XLM. Yeah. XRP will go higher when the SEC suit is over. TWT. I feel like I'm blanking on TWT right now. Give me 1 second. Oh, Trust Wallet. Wow. Okay. That's crazy. I use Trust Wallet. I have a ton of crypto on Trust Wallet. And I did not. How did I not know that they have their own crypto? Or maybe I did. I just forgot it. Comp versus Aave. Does one have a strong advantage? I don't know enough about quants or about comp. So, hey, Taylor or Taya, good to see you again. If you had a risky fund to put in crypto, is there any place fancy to have a bigger pump? I mean, I'd start looking at leverage with the cryptos that I know, instead of focusing on cryptos that I don't know. So, Crow price in 2 months. I need next card. Sorry, I missed some YouTube comments here. I'm live on YouTube, by the way. Follow me on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. 2 months, man. Maybe it'll get somewhere near its high of 20-something cents. All right, Polymath. Charles Hoskin was an early architect. I've heard good things. Maybe the things that I've heard about it technically are from you. All right, this is one regret. I don't hold TWT, okay? BT, what's that? H-bar is a long-term hold for me. Price on ETH by the end of August, like 3,000. VeChain to $1 this cycle. Thoughts on Theta? I love Theta. Top 10 for sure. I think it's going to hit $50 this cycle. Zilliqa, there's one that I really, really need to do more research on, because that may be a big regret of mine, not holding that. TWT made 40%. It'll go higher. Check it. All right. I will. Do you think there will be a dip in ETH this month? Small dips, not big ones. You see it dip, buy back in. Is Crow good buy now or wait a bit? I'd say in general, cryptos are a good buy right now, Zlatan. So I would say it is a good buy. Do you think Doge or Shiba has any chance of going back up? Yeah, it will. It's just other cryptos will outperform it for the short term. But yeah, they will go back up. Visually stimulating. What's up, man? It's called Bit Digital. Something is called Bit Digital. I am doing well. You know, happy to see that we didn't dump completely after EIP 1559. Okay, BTBT is called Bit Digital. All right. Thoughts on Xenon? I don't pay attention to meme coins. Luna is high as the sky. Yeah. Oh, man. All right, guys. I am going to run. Will SHIB ever go to half a penny? I don't think so. Shopping.io, I don't know anything about it. I'm going to run. I'm going to have lunch. I'm going to run on a couple errands. And then I will come back to YouTube or not to YouTube, to TikTok. I will come back and be live on TikTok in the afternoon. Length of cycle, 4-year cycles for Bitcoin's halvings. But, you know, a year and a half to 2 years until the peak. So SHIB will not go to half a penny. Peace out, technically fundamental. See you later, visually stimulating. Yeah, check me out in the afternoon, 2:30, 3 o'clock Eastern time, something like that. I will be back. So what is it having? You've got to look it up. Look it up. You'll find plenty of information on it. All right, YouTubers.